In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add things side by side in Notion. If you've ever wanted to organize your content in a cleaner, more visual way, putting things next to each other instead of stacking them in one long column, this is exactly what you're looking for. We're going to use Notion's built-in column feature, and I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along on your own page. First, open any page in Notion where you want to arrange content side by side. This could be a notes page, a dashboard, a task list, or anything else. Click into an empty line, or create a new one by pressing enter so that your text cursor is visible and ready to type. Now, to start creating columns, begin by typing a / followed by the word column. So you'll type +r column on that line. Notion uses this / command to bring up a list of quick actions and blocks you can insert, and column is one of them. As soon as you start typing, you should see options appear in a small menu right below your cursor. Look for the option related to columns that appears in this menu. Depending on your version of Notion and updates, you may see something like columns, 2 columns, 3 columns, or similar layout choices. Go ahead and click on the one that best matches the number of sections you want to see side by side. This is where you choose how many columns you'll use. If you only need to compare two things, like pros and cons, choose 2 columns. If you're building a more complex layout, such as planning your week with separate sections for work, personal tasks, and notes, you might prefer 3 or more columns. The key idea is the number you select here determines how many parallel areas you'll have on your page. Once you've selected the number of columns, Notion will automatically create them for you. You'll see separate vertical areas next to each other across the page. Each column behaves just like a normal Notion block area, so you can click into any column and start typing. You can add text, to-do lists, headings, images, databases, or any other content you normally use. If you decide later that you want to adjust the layout, you can drag the vertical dividers between columns to change their width, or move blocks from one column to another by clicking and dragging the handle on the left of each block. And that's it. By typing what column, and then choosing how many columns you want, you can quickly create clean side-by-side layouts in Notion that make your pages easier to read and much more organized.